front windshield glass replacement, remove the following parts. For front windshield glass replacement: wiper arms, rear view mirror assembly, both side A-pillar trims assembly, windshield glass stopper and beading. Clean dirt and debris from pinch weld area. Blow the air for dirt and debris pieces cleaning. Insert a cutting wire from backside of A-pillar. Fasten with T-handle grips for pulling. Fix the glass holding cup on windshield glass. Cut the glass with help of 2 experienced technician. Pulling method should be 2 wards pull in and out. Remove the windshield glass with holding cup. Clean the existing glass sealant. Clean the windshield frame edges by degreaser cloth. Fix the holding cup on outer side of windshield glass. Dry set the new windshield glass, align for uniform fit. Apply the masking tape on windshield glass and car body. Cut the masking tape by paper cutter. Remove the windshield glass for primer and sealant application. Apply the glass primer on windshield frame edges. Apply the glass primer on new windshield glass. After glass primer application, allow to dry for at least 15 minutes. Fix the stopper and dam material on the windshield glass. A triangular, V-shaped notch will provide the optimal bead shape. Height 12 mm, width 8 mm. Start sealant application from inner side, lower middle part of front windshield glass. Apply glass sealant on the edges of inside windshield glass. Fix the windshield glass based on aligned masking tape. Gently press on the windshield glass edges by lint-free cloth. Use windshield fastener belt for glass holding. Leave the vehicle undisturbed for about 8 hours, maybe more depending on temperature and humidity conditions. Check the water leakage with water spray. Remove the masking tape, holding cup, and fastening belt. Refit all the dismantled parts with proper setting of wiper arms.